Welcome to Uptime.com. In this video, we'll guide you through the configuration of essential account details and user profiles. Before we dive in, ensure you have admin access for seamless configuration. To get started, navigate within the Uptime UI to your user profile, found at the bottom of the page, and locate the Account Details section. Here, you can input vital information such as your company name, phone number, and address. Additionally, tailor your experience by selecting your preferred time zone and select your desired data region. Discover advanced features such as enabling two-factor authentication and also the option to enable mobile app access. Also on this page, you may also enable public link sharing for Uptime check reports. This feature will allow you to be able to share an external link to a checks report to be shared with non-Uptime users. Lastly, you will see the authentication settings section where you can toggle on or off the option to require all users to log in via SSO and set the inactive session timeout of users. Moreover, you have the flexibility to customize your user profile easily. Simply click / on your account name and select User Profile to make edits. This feature grants you the flexibility to make edits with ease, allowing updates to your email address, first and last name, and even the date and time format. Furthermore, you'll discover options to enable send new invoices via email, receive notifications for important updates, and to update the cookie settings. If you select the password option, this will allow you to change your current password. Next, we will discuss the user section. If you navigate within the Uptime UI to Settings, User Management, you will be brought to the User Management page. By selecting the Invite User button, you can easily create a new user and pull up the data by exporting it to CSV. The Edit option allows you to change the user information such as first and last names, email addresses, access levels such as View Only, View and Modify, and Administrator. There is also the option to select sub-accounts, where the account owner by default will have access to all, and the option to set the two-factor authentication override. Additionally, explore other convenient features like enabling API access, enabling mobile app access, receiving new invoices via email, and staying informed with important updates through our notification system. Also on the User Management page, if you select the 3 dots button on the account owner, this will allow you to reset the 2FA on the account. If you, however, select the 3 dots on any other user, this will provide different options including the ability to deactivate, permanently delete the user, or make the specific user the owner of the account. To learn more about setting up your account details and user profiles, check out our documentation or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.